Hi, well, this is another situation that we have here in this roof in the Issaquah area, Issaquah, Washington. Homeowner called me to check the roof because they have a leaking below this section. So what we find out was this one here. As you can see, this shingle is broken. See how the moss is growing in that area? There it is. This is what you can see it. But this is not the current leaking. The current leaking is over here. Now let me show you what kind of nail looks like. There. See that section? This one. This is a nail that is poppy matte. I'm going to pull this shingle. See? So every time it's rain, the water can get inside from these nails that are poppy matte. And there. So we're going to replace 1, 2 and that 3 shingles. Alright, this is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior again. We performed this repair, replacing these 2 shingles, replacing these 3 shingles, including the boot, which is the LED lifetime boot. Another shingle replaced and another one. So this is what we do in Premium Solutions Exterior. This is Rafael again with Premium Solutions Exterior. Phone number is 425-599-4850. Thank you so much. Bye bye.